Hey guys, this is Khadeen and you're watching Grow with Khadeen. In this video, you are going to learn that how you can get the same results for your website. First of all, before starting all the stuff, I just want to share with you that this is not the video like typical other videos because I was in problem with my website. It wasn't working well. It wasn't performing well. I just watched a lot of videos on YouTube and tutorials, but they just said me that use that plugin. But in this video, I would be telling you the entire stuff that how you can actually upgrade the speed of your website and without going technical, with 2 to 3 easy steps, how you can boost the performance of the website. So here you can see this is the performance of the website. The complete website is loading within about 1.5 seconds, and this is the complete website with dynamic JavaScript and other content. And here you can see all the stats, and I would comparing this website with some other websites to show you the difference that I how this website on which I applied my techniques differ from the websites on which these techniques are not used. So just stay tuned. But before just starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel if you want to make around $1,000 per month, because I used to share some skills and some tutorials with you with which you can make around $1,000 per month easily within about 3 to 4 months. Okay, so I used to actually upload some web design, digital marketing, online business tutorials and ideas which are available on Skillshare and Udemy for hundreds of dollars, but you will get them here just for free. So you can just subscribe and click on bell icon, and you will also get some promos and discounts. By the way, I am also running a web design and digital marketing agency where we provide services like web design, digital marketing, SEO, website optimization, and also some marketing services to get you profits by the end of the day, to get you sales. So if you want any help regarding that, you can just contact me out, or you can just visit our website, which is in description below, also webifyhub.com. And here you can see our services, or you can just contact us directly. And I am also providing a one-on-one consultation for free for my YouTube subscribers, which is premium but free for my YouTube subscribers. So you can just go to link in description below, webifyhub.com/consultation, and you can book a one-on-one free consultation with me, a 15 minute consultation where you can clear any doubts regarding your business or digital marketing growth. Now, no more marketing, and let's just come back to our topic. So we'll be optimizing our website in just 3 steps. We'll not be using those typical steps, but I'll be using those typical steps, but I would be like explaining you why I'm using those steps. And within only 3 steps, without any technical knowledge, you can boost your website speed. And with the third step, you will not boost the speed of the website, but you can improve the user experience of the website, that how user interact with your website. So let's just get started. Like all other speed optimization tutorials, the first step is changing your web hosting. This is the must thing you should do if you cannot optimize your website. And to prove that, I have performed a comparison between a website using one hosting and a website using another hosting. Okay, so I have performed a comparison test. The same optimization plugins and techniques are used on this website, and same are used on this website, but the difference is in hosting only. Okay, so we'll be going below, and here we'll check the performance. So this is the hosting which I recommend, and this is the hosting which is a bit cheaper and most of the people use. Now, after seeing this comparison, you will get to know that why you shouldn't use this hosting, and why you should use the hosting what I am recommending. So first of all, let's just see the comparison, and then I'll tell you that which hosting is this one and which hosting is this one. Okay, so here you can see. So I'll tell you now, and then I'll tell you that how you can get the discounts and all that stuff. So first of all, this hosting is Bluehost hosting, and this website is using SiteGround web hosting. Okay, so here you can see the first contentful paint is something that a hosting delivers you the first stuff. Okay, so the first stuff delivered by the Bluehost is in about 680 milliseconds, and by SiteGround it's 3 seconds. So you can see what the difference. Like when you will type in the address, the SiteGround hosting will reply you in 3 seconds, and the Bluehost hosting will reply you within less than 1 second. Now the largest contentful paint, you can see it is 1.5 seconds, it 10.6 seconds. Speed index, you can see it's 9.9 seconds. Then time to interactive and connect duration and all that stuff. And at the end of the day, fully loaded time 1.7 seconds and 12.9 seconds. Now again repeating the same techniques and plugins are used there. Okay, so why I would recommend you bluehost.com. So first of all, let's just go to bluehost.com. You to get the discount, you can just go to link in description below, or you can just type in webifyhub.com/bluehost and you will get 70% discount with free domain name to switch that, and switching is not that much harder. So here you go. Here is the Bluehost discount page where you are getting it only at $2.95 per month, and here are their plans. But I am not advertising here, advertising Bluehost here. You can use any of other hostings, and that are also some hostings I have linked in description below, so you can check them. But again, I would recommend you to go with Bluehost. Now, switching to Bluehost is not that much harder. What you just have to do is you just have to go to Bluehost. You just have to select a package which suits you. You just have to select that package. You have to select that domain name, and you have to add that all stuff. You can use any of the plugin or migration plugin or something like that. Or the Bluehost chat support is awesome. Believe me, Bluehost chat support is awesome. So what you can do is you can just go to their chat support team. You can just click on chat, and after you have bought the plugin, you just have to ask the chat support that this is my website, this is my hosting, migrate my data from this hosting to this hosting, and migrate my domain name from this hosting to this hosting. Okay, so they will do it all for you. You don't have to hire someone. You don't need any technical knowledge. So first of all, you can make these differences, like you can get performance score 94% if you are getting it 41%, and you can get about 35% more like structure score and a lot other stuff. Not structure score, because structure score is basically based on the structure of the website, but other stuff. Okay, so first one is hosting, and the second one is using CDN. Now what is CDN? Let's suppose you are sitting in Pakistan, and you are sitting in Pakistan and you are trying to reach a website which is located in Canada. And what it will do is it will have to reach the servers in Canada to use that website. But what CDNs do, CDNs are spreaded worldwide, and if I'm sitting in Pakistan, so Pakistani server will make a cache of that Canadian server, and I can reach out to that website sitting from Pakistan in Pakistan. Okay, so it will reduce a lot cost. So with other hostings, you might have to buy a CDN, or other CDNs are not worth, but Bluehost is providing you Cloudflare CDN, so I would again recommend you to go with Bluehost. So you can just switch out to Bluehost if you want better speeds. Now the second step is WP Rocket. Using WP Rocket WordPress optimization plugin, you can use any other plugin. There are several plugins for free available, but this is a paid plugin which you would have to buy. Now, why I'm asking for using this plugin, or why I'm asking for using a speed optimization plugin, because now you have used that optimized server by Bluehost, and you have used CDN. Now you have JavaScript files and your website is loading smoothly. But if you want more optimized speed, because you have competition, you have to rank on Google, you want more speed, you will need a better optimization plugin. If you will go for this repository, WordPress repository, you can go with something called WP Super Cache, Auto Optimize, WP Optimize, or you can use any of these plugins. But why I recommend using WP Rocket is because it is cheaper, and it wouldn't make your site break, because if you will use Auto Optimize or WP Super Cache, it will it might break your website, and you have to be technical, you have to do with some technical stuff. But if you have this this plugin, you don't have to do with any technical stuff. You just have to switch on some buttons and you are good to go. Now, how to buy this plugin? You just have to go to link in description below, or just type in webifyhub.com/ WP Rocket. And by the way, I'll also get some small amount of discount, which would fund my creation. So here you go. It's about $49 per year for one website. You just have to pay $49 per year, and once you have paid once a time, then you can use it for lifetime if you don't want to receive updates and all that stuff. But if you want to receive updates, you will have to pay every year. So you can go with this plan, okay? Or you have three websites, you can go with 99 per year, but you will get a lot speed optimized. After you have bought, you just have to download and you just have to upload the plugin here. And here you can see you have a lot simple things how to configure it. These would be ticked off, so you just have to tick these: mobile cache and enable mobile cache and separate cache. And after that, you have to go to file optimization, and you just have to select this: optimize CSS delivery and load JavaScript deferred. And you can select other ones, but these might break your site. And then you have after doing that, you also have to save this, okay? So click on save changes to save the changes. So after that, you just have to go to media, and you just have to enable these stuff. Because I'm using a third-party plugin, so that's why I cannot enable these stuff, because I'm doing at some technical end. So that's why it's a bit different. Now here you can enable preloading, and you have cache and CDN pre-integrated and a lot other tools. And you can also enable this control heartbeat section, and also you have some advanced rules if you want to add, and you have a lot of things to do. But I think if you have installed this plugin, that's all. And you just have to went to file optimization, you have selected this minify CSS files, optimize CSS delivery, and load JavaScript deferred and minify JavaScript files. Now you are good to go. You can use this plugin, and this plugin is good to go. So that's how you will optimize the speed, and you will get this type of speed. And this is the technique I'm using to get the speed, okay? And the last and the third plugin is this loft loader plugin, which you saw. The last and third technique. This is not for like improving the speed, but improving the user interaction, improving the UI of the website. If your website is loading in about 1 to 2 minutes, you have to your user have to be interacted, and he should be user should be interacted with your interface. So that's why you can use that loft preloader plugin. And for preloaders, I would recommend you this loft loader pro plugin, which you can get from link in description below. You can buy this plugin. This is only just $26, and you can just upload it here, and it's really easy to customize. It has a documentation with which you can just create your own preloaders, and you can use them on your website. Like I will again reload this website and we'll see how our website is looking right now, like how our website is loading. Okay, so this website is a bit slow, but when we are using that loft loader plugin, I'm not using those optimization stuff on that, but you can see searching these and all that stuff. So you can use this plugin to enhance your user experience. Okay, so that's all about the video. If you need any help regarding that, or if you have any questions, if you didn't like anything about the video, or you have any concerns, you can contact down in the description below. And you can also join our club. You can also join our email list from the link in description below. So that's all about the video. See you in next video. Stay tuned.